Minutes here about some things I just learned recently, to say the least. And the mind is a crazy little thing, an irrational moment in man's thought patterns, because we actually think that we are a rational person within all of this irrational emotion. See, what ends up happening within our mindset is that our frontal lobe is the only thing that actually encases rational thought. Within this, we actually have all these different placeholders, such as the space and time portions of our mind, our ability to actually have vocabulary and speech within each other, compassion, empathy, and the like. And that is just the top layer of our brain. You see, what ends up occurring is there's this plasticity layer that is between that of which we can consciously recognize and that of which we cannot. And it is that connecting layer that connects that of which we understand to that of which we feel in our emotional base. And deep inside the core of our brains is two centers called the hippocampus, which is the happy core center, and the amygdala, which is the evil or fear-inducing center. Also, oh yeah. Also, if you get chased down by a cheetah, this is about the only thing that'll keep you alive, FYI. Not that cheetahs randomly eat humans, but it does happen. But what ends up occurring is throughout the growth period and how high up we are able to consciously think, down and down and down layers up until we actually have emotion and response. See, these responses actually occur within the first 0.2 to 0.25 seconds of us recognizing somebody or trying to see if we should actually be friends with somebody or coerce and become something just a little bit more beyond same wavelength as somebody else. But we feel something, and we have within a blink of an eye, we already know what we are going to see, say, and do, and the rest of it is just acting out. We don't exactly have rational thought within all of this. Well, the kicker, and what as medical science has only been able to prove within the last 5 years, is that memories don't actually exist within the mind. The mind is just a processing center. What actually ends up occurring is within every cell, within every piece and part of your body, you have electromagnetics and certain types of chemistries that actually hold all of your memories. It is very, say you fall in love and you have the little butterflies that twizzle and tweak inside of your stomach. And this is actually what ends up occurring to bring back memories of what happens. And a physical placement within the body is where these memories are stored and not technically in your mind. We are all completely irrational beings within this world, and rationality is such a small, minor portion of all of that. So I bid you adieu, and I wish you all the best in thinking that you actually know what you're talking about. And please, everyone, have an emotional response whenever possible. Just take an extra second, because that 0.25 has already taken control. I bid you all good luck tomorrow. Thank you, I'm Johnny 5.